With an eye on the Autonomous District Council polls slated for next year, the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council has established the Delimitation Committee to determine the boundaries of the 30 constituencies under its jurisdiction. According to the notice published on 20th October, S. Khadc, a retired judge from the District Court, would serve as the chairman of the committee, while former Khadc Secretary M. Kharkrang will serve as secretary. Professor in the Khadc Department at Nehu, D.R.L. Nonglat, retired school teacher R. Mirpo, and former member S. L. Marbanyang make up the other three members of the committee. The Khadc Deputy CM P.N. Same told reporters yesterday that the committee was established after the council received more than 15 petitions from various villages asking the council to move their villages to other constituencies.
Rules and guidelines, but proceed ahead. Hajjadi Barka, Jim prepared, Yaka, beneficial. Ajar, Snam. I borrow Ikiba, the public domain, it can make a but Kundu Nagamanda Batin conduct the hearing, Haki Jaka Jaka Badunkan, but then Shimri Kizumud Judicial, Junkipaima, but then submit a report, Hani Kungat Bala.
In a